Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And this is going to be the weekly watch list for November 15th, 2021. So as always, let's jump right into the video. Right here, we're looking at the S&P E-mini futures. We could see on the market profile, still no excess. We did have a down week. I did call this last weekend. I did say, hey, watch, we're probably gonna have a down week. I was looking for a pullback. That's exactly what the market did. And then right here, we had a nice clean waterfall, lower highs, right? And then on Friday, we broke to the upside. Now, one thing that I'm looking for is a potential divergence going on, where I wouldn't be surprised if we make new highs just by a little bit. We have divergence, something very similar to this, right? And price will make a new high, and then we roll back over. I think there are some structural issues going on with the overall market, things like that. The other thing I would say is that could happen is watch for right now we have a 3-day reverse waterfall, 1, 2, 3. If we break below any of those days, watch out for another leg lower. So those are the couple things to watch for this week. But real quick, I just want to say, make sure you guys check out my Discord chat room. It's free to join. There's a link down in the description. Also, make sure you check out my Patreon page, and also $50 one-time payment for the weekly trade zones. And the weekly trade zones have been really good the last few weeks. We nailed one of them this week, right at the 50 level. Where was it? Right here. The 46, 49, 51 level kind of came right down and had a nice bounce. So that would have paid for itself. Remember, it's $50 for a lifetime. But in the trade room, every morning, what I do is I post levels usually above and below. So they're intraday trade zones. These I'm doing for free right now. So make sure you can come join us every morning for the S&P futures. But with that being said, look at what happened right here, right? Kind of posted this upper trade zone, 76 to 79.50, came right in. We had divergence right into it, a reversal, and had a nice little pullback. So you could have made some money. So make sure you guys check that out. But let's move on to the NQ. Okay, NASDAQ kind of had a bull flag breakout. Let's do this. Let's clean up a couple of these charts, right? And so we still have this lower channel. I still think it'll eventually get hit, but look at this again, potential way overbought, pullback, classic pullback, maybe make new highs, have a little bit of excess and have a divergence, or break below the previous day's low, and then watch for a little follow through. So that's what I'm watching for. Not gonna say one way or the other, bullish or bearish. There really wasn't any hard selling. The VIX really didn't move up, anything like that. So I think that's the trade for this week, is just watch for a move higher, divergence, or if price breaks below previous candles low, I think you could be able to short that to the downside. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil's having a little trouble here. I actually thought we were going to go higher, back up to maybe this 85 to 90 level. But all we really did was make a triple top with divergence, right? So something to be very aware of, with what's going on over here. But at the same time, this might just be a inverse head and shoulders forming, right? And here's our neckline. So watch that. If we could get back into this channel or above, I think it's all full blast off back up to that 90 level, which I think is one of the ultimate targets that I've had for months now. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, BTC. I was actually wrong. I thought we would go lower, down to this level. Guess what? We made new highs, but look at this, right? This is what I'm kind of thinking may happen with the ESs is this, right? We make a new high, right? Break above and then reverse and have a divergence. So there is divergence on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was weak while the market was kind of strong a little bit today. So we will see what happens. But again, no call one way or the other. We're in no man's land, but there is a divergence. If you want to trade this, your stop would go above this 69,000. But maybe we pull all the way back down to that 53,000. Next, let's take a look at gold. Last week, I was bullish on gold, and look at this move. Hope you guys caught some. Nice parabolic move to the upside. The one thing I will say is watch for a pullback this week, but is gold telling us something on the bigger picture? Just something to be aware of. So gold, I'm still bullish. We're making higher highs, higher lows. Maybe look for a gap fill around the 171 level for a long. Silver, same thing, higher highs, higher lows, kind of nice takeoff. Watch this 24 level above for potential resistance. Also matches up with this high. Multiple things going on right here. Point of control on the bigger picture, things like that. So again, maybe a pullback to 2275 level, 2270, and then a ride up to 24. AAPL, Apple, same thing. We're still in this head and shoulders. So just kind of be aware of it. Patterns still forming, really haven't gone anywhere this whole week. So we will see. And then finally, Tesla. Everybody loves Tesla, right? Except for anybody who's bought up here and chased the stock higher up at the 1233 levels, right? They're in a world of pain, down about 20% off the highs. With that being said, there is a gap. Also with the highs and value area high right around this 900 level. So just keep an eye on that, multiple things going on. And this is a perfect example why you don't chase these parabolic stocks, right? Don't care what the thesis is, they never end well usually. And look at this divergence right here. If you just traded my reverse waterfall, if you saw that divergence, because when we were here, you saw this was way down here, right? The RSI, all you had to do was say, hey, my short is right below here, and look at what happened come Monday morning. Nice gap to the downside. So just something to keep an eye on and watch. And let's finally do one more AMZ and Amazon. Yeah, nothing. Just up here going sideways. Holiday Christmas is coming. So maybe Amazon gets something going on. We'll see. Or do they miss earnings this year because there's not enough supply out there to fulfill everybody what they want with their orders? So we will see what happens there. But hopefully this helps. Remember, check out my trade room. Check out the links down below for the services I offer. Thank you, as always, for watching these videos. I hope they're helpful. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.